In this video, we're going to test the validity of deductive arguments with conditional propositions and chains of conditionals from Unit 1D. First, let's ask what is a chain of conditionals and give an example of a valid argument made from such a chain. A chain of conditionals is a type of deductive argument that involves 3 or more conditionals. And C is a good example of that. If P, then Q. If Q, then R. Therefore, P implies R. Number 2, identify the form of the conditional argument and determine its validity with a Venn diagram. Evaluate the truth of the premises and state whether the argument is sound. If the tree is a hardwood, then it is deciduous. Let's do H implies D. Oaks are hardwoods. Therefore, O implies D. I can switch the order of these premises, and that's fine. So this looks like this. And that's valid. That's what we were just talking about in question 1. It's called affirming the hypothesis. And if it's an oak, then it's a hardwood. If it's a hardwood, then it's deciduous. So hardwoods are a subset of deciduous, and the oak, which is the X here, is inside the hardwood, so it's deciduous. So that's A. As I already said, this is valid. And does it sound? Yes, because all the premises are true. If a corrosive is acid, then it is dangerous. HCl is dangerous, therefore HCl is a type of acid. So P implies Q, Q, therefore P, this is invalid. So the argument is affirming the conclusion, which is not valid. So it is not sound. And let's take a look and see here. Corrosive acids are things that are dangerous. Here, HCl is dangerous, but I don't know that it's a type of acid, so that's D. Could be, but doesn't have to be. Four, if you live in Cincinnati, then you live in Ohio. Amanda does not live in Cincinnati, therefore Amanda does not live in Ohio. So this is P implies Q, not P, therefore not Q. This is invalid. This is denying the hypothesis. And she could live somewhere else in Ohio, or maybe she doesn't live in Ohio. She just doesn't live in Cincinnati. So that's C. We don't know whether she lives in Ohio or not in Ohio. This argument is invalid, which makes it unsound. Consider the following argument. If a plant is a cactus, then it is a whatever that word is. It must be the family or genus that it belongs to. Tulips are not that. Therefore, a tulip is not a cactus. So if P, then Q, not Q, therefore not P is the structure of the argument. It's called denying the conclusion. And that is valid. And this is sound because all the premises are true. Now let's look at what the it's D. So all cacti belong to this set here, and tulips are not a part of the bigger set. They're outside, so they can't be a part of the subset of cacti. All right, that is it for this video, and we'll come back next time and start talking about topics from Unit 1E. See you for the next video.